That means create, read, update, delete, all of them are working successfully, but there is no front end. We can use reactjs for front end. Also we can use EJS view engine for server side rendering or handlebars or something like that. Let's use EJS for now. So at first we need to install EJS. Create a new tab. Okay, npm install EJS. Okay, once you have installed EJS, you need to set up EJS app.js. Below this, we actually above this we have to set app.set. Make sure the spelling is same as mine. Engine, this should be EJS. Okay, and once you have set view engine as EJS, by default it will look for views folder. Since we don't have any views folder, let's create one. Views. Okay, inside views folder we'll have index.ejs and we will have another add flare.ejs. actually let's make it flare EJS. That's all. Let's try it out. I think we have to use EJS layout, so let's do it. EJS layout npm. Okay, we have to install it as well. Copy and paste it on the terminal. Install it. How to set up, you can see in here there is setup option. Let me copy this line, paste it inside app.js. Below this express we need to paste it here. Okay, next we have to paste this app.use layout. Okay, below here. Okay, next we can create a file with name of EJS, so let's do it. Actually we can create a file with name of layout.ejs. Here we are going to set up our Bootstrap. Let's copy Bootstrap starter template, copy from here and paste it here as well, and let's use our first route. This was players. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, let's use this first on players. Okay, go to browser, localhost 5000 /API/players. It's saying something went wrong. Okay, it's saying everything working, but there is something went wrong in here. Actually, let me comment it out. Let's try it out once again. Okay, something is not working. We need to pass this body in here inside our layout.ejs. Okay, otherwise it will not work, so let's pass it here as well. Body. Let's try it out once again. Okay, still it is not working. Actually we need to render, I think. Let's render it. res.render index. index.ejs. You can give the extension or you cannot. Actually it doesn't matter, it's totally up to you, both are same. Okay, let's try it out. Yes, it is working now. You see this hello world is coming from this layout. Okay, let's get rid of this and take it inside index.js, index EJS, not JS. Okay, save it and it will work same as previous. Okay, now I want to get a component of navbar, so let's get it. Navbar, where it is? Yes, here it is. I want very simple one. This looks simple. Actually, let's work with it. Copy and create one more folder, partials. Create this folder inside views folder and navbar.ejs. Okay, let's include this navbar inside our layout. Okay, we can include our navbar inside this layout before this body, so let's include it here and 2% sign on with dash, and here CINCLUDE include, where it is inside partials / navbar. Let's check it out, it is working or not. Hello world, navbar is working or not. Let's reload. It is working perfectly.